34, and we are in Ohio.
Outside Cleveland and Akron.
Akron, Ohio, outside Cleveland. If you did not hear, there's a sign right there. And we are going down the road.